First video back. Welcome back, Gulpers TV. The reason for today's video lies in this box right here. I'll be showing you guys something that I purchased in the past. It's probably been 4 or 5 months now since I've had it, and honestly, I love it. DJI Mini 2 drone. Okay, so first things first, obviously got this case. But here is what we got inside of the case. First, the DJI remote, as you can see here. As you can see, this part comes off, and then the lightning port here that connects to my phone. So my phone sits in here, kind of gives me the screen display. And of course, the drone itself. So yes, this was quite the investment for me, but it was well worth it. I love this thing. It's honestly truly amazing. I'll show some clips about it later. So let's just quick overview here. This camera up here on a 3-axis gimbal shoots 4K 30 FPS. I typically shoot in around 4K to 24 FPS just to get more of a cinematic type video instead of 30 FPS. Honestly, I haven't used this in super extreme scenarios yet, and I haven't really done anything special with it yet. Kind of just put it in the settings that I like, 4K 24 FPS. Okay, so I don't want to talk too much about the drone. I'd rather show you what I did already, but honestly, I love it. Super small. It's 249 grams, which means it doesn't need to be licensed or anything with that, which makes it super simple. There's a bunch of different quick shot features that you can use, like Droney. There's like a swirl where it follows you around and it goes up, which are all pretty cool features. The only sensors it has are on the bottom, so it does not have any side, front, or back sensors. So you do have to fly it smart, not crash into anything, because it won't stop for you. I've gotten some pretty cool pictures out of it too, of different lakes and ponds that are super sweet. Alright, so that is indeed it for this video. If you want to get something like the DJI Mini 2 or any other DJI drones, honestly, I highly recommend. They're so simple, so easy to use, so easy to fly, and honestly, for the price, it's well worth it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to be doing a GoPro Hero 9 Black review. And yeah, I'm super excited about that. Gonna be able to use that, filming up, and got the drone. Honestly, got some good videos coming soon, so stay tuned. There won't be a lot, but there will be some, and it'll be good. So catch you guys in the next episode. Gulpers TV.